So ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Kill the horse if you will. Oh, yes. Yeah. Fuck you, horse.
Oh, you can see that bullet hole in him now.
Trying to get his eye out. Putting the potato gun. It's Chris and James. Get ready to shoot a horse. Get some, Chris. Get some. Oh,
Way to go.
dude, wait off. Oh my
well.
God, we get it next time.
Scared him.
Go, Chris. Kill that horse, bro. Dang, you destroyed it, man.
Alright, 2 lives so far the best for this game. Fucking cockroach horse.
Say hello to my new friend. Go.
Watch out, we're gonna get some shrapnel. Eventually.
Oh! Nothing about. Killing the horse. There you go. You hit the tree or you...
Yeah. Got a lot more practice on being a gangster.
Gangster.
Yeah.
Unbelievable how loud that fucking thing is.
Nice loud compared to the other one.
You. He's gonna be the big one.
What y'all want me to shoot?
Alright, ready?
Straight up?
Yeah, just shoot it.
Damn! Motherfucker. Piece of pine tree going into a 2-inch PVC pipe, 2 inch inside diameter. So we're about a 16th too big. It's all the way down there. It's about that long. We're about to fucking spray this bitch and cap it, and I'm gonna see if it'll.
Hey, what blood type are you?
B negative.
B negative.
B negative.
Okay.
Everybody
B
fucking
negative.
knows. I'm A+.
Hoorah!
Tell me where. Alright.
Oh, God. Fucking crazy, Chris.
He's gonna incinerate himself.
Hoorah! Holy shit.
Damn!
Alright, where's the cap at? On the way over there. That bitch kicked. I dare you. Do it like that with your fist. Fuck no. Oh, it'd be fun with a
laser at night.
Oh, we had to come here at nighttime.
Oh yeah.
We should get build like maybe like 3 or 4 of those fucking guns. Come here with a bunch of guys.
Quick.
That sucks. We need to be clean that. We need to bring a rag too so we can clean that
Yeah.
shred.
That's up.
Do your way off.